You talk about the partners. There's a lot of consolidation going on. There's a lot of new investment coming in, mergers, acquisitions, venture capital, and you've managed to. Your company's still sort of independent and founder owned. Is there a difference between the approaches? Is there, do you view this as a healthy growth of this marketplace? What are you looking at it as?
I think for the most part it's healthy, right? I think it's a business strategy, right? Our founder decided to make sure that we offer a complete spectrum of capabilities. And then there are others that have been extremely successful with being more narrowed and focused, right? And with what we know of Maximo, you could easily be successful focusing on a single aspect of Maximo, right? And we know the partners that are out there that, did reporting or scheduling. And the consolidation, I think, is inevitable. Just with the way business is today and the way companies are spending dollars and investments, I think it's just a part of business to see the smaller, more independent companies getting scooped up. Could it happen to luck? I have no idea. I think, again, the strategy, or at least what I've seen from the two major companies that have really done a lot of acquisitions, has been at that focus level. So instead of picking up someone like Interlock who can do multiples, you're seeing, I'm going to grab a reporting company, I'm going to grab a mobile company, and I'm going to grab this. I don't know if that strategy works. I mean, IBM does it, and they're not going anywhere, right? So I mean, it works.
They're through the roof.
What I see the difference of a small independent is the level of service. And that's not a negative to anyone else, IBM or anyone. But, the bigger you get traditionally in business, the harder it is to offer that personal level of service.
Absolutely.
You don't have to explain your implementation every time you talk to a support. We've all done that, right? You have to go through, this is what I have, this is what I have, this is what I have. And you have to go through that whole set of discovery. With us, I think what's nice, and I'm sure with the others, is they pick up the phone or they have a ticket and it's, oh, well, Darlene, you know what's happening. That familiarity makes that problem resolution process far more streamlined, cuts down the back and forth emails. We've all done it. How many times do you have to go back and forth just for basic discovery to get in alignment? And I think with a small company, that level of service allows you to skip a lot of that and get to problem determination, problem.